Pagod ka na ba na laging malabo ang mundo? Hi, I'm Doc Karina from Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab. Marami sa atin ang tahimik lang at nagtitiis na malabong paningin. Yung ayaw natin basahin yung message kasi malabo, yung kailangan ng ibang salamin sa pagbabasa at iba sa pag-drive. Or minsan, hindi lang napapansin kasi sanay ka ng malabo. But it doesn't have to stay that way. Progressive lenses are more than just eyewear. They are freedom. Freedom to see your child smile clearly, freedom to read your favorite book without squinting, and freedom to look up and see the road ahead without switching glasses or feeling lost. One pair, multiple power. Pang malayo, pang mid-range at pangbasa. Seamless, walang linya at walang limitasyon. And most of all, kailangan ito tama ang sukat. Kaya dito sa clinic, we don't just sell glasses. We understand your eye. We listen, we measure, and we fit accordingly to your life, not just your grade. Because when your vision is clear, your life moves forward. You deserve to see the world clearly, beautifully, and confidently. Don't settle sa, okay na to? There is a way to make your life easier, more joyful, and in your full focus. Let's change the way you see life. Visit us at Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab. Your clear vision is waiting, and so is your bright tomorrow.
Bukad